Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about trading crude oil again here on April 30th, 2020. Our last video was on April 29th, analyzing crude oil and whether to make up your mind, whether to keep trading or take the profits and run, and basically what we do each day to analyze the market. So here we are, crude still trading under $20 a barrel. And basically look at the pre-market here, crude from like 6 to 8:30 to see where it's been as far as the highs and lows and the range. Did it have some news? And basically it had the falling off the cliff look here. So started the auto trader a little early, just after 8:30. Took a while to fall off the cliff. We're trading 3 contracts, stop at 20, goal 500, and we're risking 320. So the market sold off and we hit our first profit target, which was 13 ticks. Now if you're new to trading, don't try to copy what I'm doing. You want to just make 100, 200 bucks on crude oil. You should always have your first profit target off at 8 to 10 ticks, because crude, pretty much can trade in a range of 10 to 20 ticks usually each trend change. So if you get 80% of that, that's a nice profit. Then you need 2 trend changes or your runner and you'll hit your profit goal. So we had 2 contracts off at the first target, lock in some profits, so we're halfway to our profit goal, and then we use a runner. Why do we use a runner? Well, we use a runner because it'll keep trading. Like say if I had this at 20 ticks, it would have got out say at 17.13, and then we would have been short of our profit goal. So you use a runner and it got more profits. It just kept trading down, profits adding up. And then on the last contract, boom, we hit it and we hit our goal, $510. Now to use a runner in the strategy, you simply put a 0 instead of a 1 for the contract, for those of you that got the auto trader. And you'll get more gains using a runner than you were using a specific target. So we had a nice move to the downside. Now we're going to wait till the 9 o'clock open, and here's the 9 o'clock open. And basically this vertical line right here is when we started the auto trader. 9 o'clock comes. Even though the market trend was down, we didn't take the long. We waited till a minute after to start the auto trader. I could have shut the longs off, but I had it started just a little too late to even catch this long. So we're mainly focused on trading the shorts because the trend was down. And how do I know the trend is down? Well, you look at the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 10-minute chart, analyze the market. So, and negative news helps also. So it gets short again, 3 contracts. Our first one's out at 2 contracts. And we lowered our profit goal to 400. So we hit our first goal, and then the runner again hits our max gain goal. And we lock in $390 profit on the second trade. So we're pretty much close to 1,000 in profits for the day. So now I got to analyze the market, say what's the price action doing, what's the range, do I keep trading, and do I make one more trade, or do I call it a day? And if I do make one more trade, when am I going to make it? So that's all about knowing when to trade and not to trade. I really don't want to just enable the strategy again and say, well, let's see what happens next. I want to go with a high percentage move. And the high percentage move is going to come at 9:30. And that's what exactly happened. We're using the same profit goal, same settings. And our auto trader gets short here on a trend change. Market sells off 3 contracts, hits its first profit goal on 2 contracts, basically at 9 ticks. And then we get stopped on this one. Our trail stop comes down, gets us out at 1701. So we got some profit on that one. And then we get a trend reversal. It gets long here at 1708, reverses up, and our goal is hit. So that's 3 for 3 and another $400 profit. So in trading, you got to be able to analyze the market. What is the chart prints telling you in front? How is the range? We sold off from here at 1710 down to 17, so it's a pretty tight range. That's why I say, if you're new to trading less than 3 years, go for 8 to 10 ticks on your first contract, and you would have nailed it here. And then the reversal, you would have got another, and you're halfway to your profit goal. So basically, after this trade, we're going to sit back and wait till after 10 o'clock to trade. And basically, the market was getting pretty sluggish after these moves. The major moves happened between 8:45 and up until 10 o'clock, and then they tightened up, so we elected not to trade for the rest of the day, take our profits and run, and come back the next day and repeat the same thing. So hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your trading. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube here, and follow us on all the social media sites like our Twitter page, Facebook, and our YouTube channel here for more trading tips and how-to videos. Till next time, good luck with your trading.